Guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will be showing you guys how I created this really pretty bright summery cut crease. It's so pretty and I can't wait to show you guys how I create it. So I'm going to take the Morphe 35B, back to my fave. Yeah, somebody already told me to use this palette again, so I'm like, whatever, it's my favorite anyway. So I'm gonna take the hot pink shade that I just showed, and I'm taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills A12 blending brush, which is my favorite blending brush right now, and I'm putting that directly in my crease, and I'm really gonna build this pink up. So right after that, I'm going to dip into the matte yellow shade in the palette on my BH Cosmetic 101 brush. And I'm just going to blend out the edges of the pink. And yeah, right after this, I'm going to go back into the same Anastasia brush and add more pink into the crease. So I actually added the same pink, and the pink that's underneath is a little darker, so I mixed the two together and applied both of them into the crease with the same A12 blending brush. So I had to move up a little bit so you guys can get into that blend. Yes. So moving on, we're going to cut our crease, and I'm using the e.l.f. HD Lifting Concealer, and this is in the shade Fair. So I'm just cutting my crease, and this is the BH Cosmetic brush that comes with the 101 brush. It comes in a brush set, and I always say that because I use it in like most of my videos. So yeah, these gold and black handle brushes, they come together, and I found it at Marshall's, but it is still online. I'll put it in the description box once again because I get a lot of questions for these brushes, so I'll put it in the description. So next, you guys, I'm just taking this NYX brush. I just call it a concealer brush. It doesn't have a name or anything, so I'm just blending out the concealer. And I'm taking the Anastasia A13 flat eyeshadow brush. And I'm going to dip into this beige color in the 35B palette as well and pack it all over my lid. So next, I'm going to grab my glitter and my glitter primer, and this is the NYX glitter primer, and the glitter is from Certifeye. It's their Fuchsia glitter. So you guys know, if you watch my tutorials and see me do my glitter liners, I always do it this way, where I pick up the glue with the brush and apply the glitter with my brush. I don't know why I still don't own any glitter eyeliners yet. I just think like I have all these different colored glitters, and you know, I'm just so used to applying it this way. But if you do have any glitter eyeliners, that does save a lot of time. So I'm just going to continue to do this in my crease. So here, you guys, I'm just taking my Sigma S03 brush just to dust off any glitter fallout. And now I'm taking my NYX yellow eyeliner. I'm sorry I didn't show that part, but this is the NYX yellow eyeliner. I think it's called Halo. And I'm just applying this right underneath the glitter in my crease. And this is what it looks like up close. I'm absolutely in love. I was actually going to leave the glitter liner alone, but you guys know I have to add something extra, and I decided to put the yellow eyeliner right underneath, and it's something different too. So moving on to skin, I am applying my Pond's Face Moisturizer, and yeah, y'all know I love this cream. For foundation, I'm taking the Covergirl True Blend Matte Made Foundation in the shade T60. I went ahead and applied it on my face, and now here I am blending it out with my Makeup Addiction Beauty Blender, and this sponge is bomb, you guys. Of course, it is damped, and this sponge is just amazing. For concealer, I'm taking the Maybelline Master Conceal in the shade Medium, and I'm just going to apply this underneath my eyes, on my chin, once I get there. I apply a lot underneath my eyes. I'm sorry. I like a lot of concealer. Concealer is actually my favorite part with my whole makeup routine. So I'm applying it on my chin, my cupid's bow, down the bridge of my nose, and on my forehead. And of course, I will be blending it all out with the same beauty blender. So I really do take my time out to blend. I blend out my makeup for a long time actually. You guys don't see it because I cut it out in my videos just to save some time, so my videos wouldn't be too long of me just sitting here blending out my foundation forever or my concealer forever. So yeah, make sure your beauty blender is damp. That is really important to get a natural finish. Even if you are applying a bunch of product or doing just a full coverage beat, a damn beauty blender will soak up any excess makeup and just still give you that natural looking finish. So moving on, I'm trying out this new Huda Beauty setting powder, and I'm using the shade Blondie, and of course I'm going underneath my eyes once again to blend out any creases before I set it. So I'm going to dip into the powder with my beauty blender, and I'm just going to set my concealer. You guys know that I don't bake. I've never baked. Well, I tried it once and I didn't like it, and ever since I just never baked because it just makes my under eye just look so dry. Like even with the hype, I still never did it. So yeah, I'm just going to set my makeup and just set everywhere basically where I put the concealer. So let's get into the powder, you guys. In this video, this was actually my first time trying out this powder, and it is bomb, okay? Like, it makes your face just look so flawless and just so smooth. So now that I like the powder, like, I'm basically just setting my whole face with it. So I'm just going to continue to set my whole face so I can be super matte, because lately I've been so oily. So I'm really going to make sure I set everything. So right after that, I'm just going to take my Real Techniques large face brush. This is the one that I always use to like just buff everything, make sure there's no more powder left over. And now I'm going to bronze. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills powder bronzer in the shade Rosewood. So I'm going to go ahead and set my makeup with the Kiss Pro Touch Setting Spray, just to make sure we aren't looking cakey out here. So right after that, I went in and applied these beautiful lashes that have been my go-to lashes. I'll add the full link in the description box. So this is how I finished off my eye, you guys. So I'm going to show you guys how I did it. I'm going to take that deeper pink shade, and this is my Japanese flat brush. I'm just going to basically create like a little wing on the edge of my eye, as you guys can see me do here, and blend it out. So next, I'm taking my Makeup Addiction pencil brush this time, and I'm taking more of that pink to help blend that out. And right after that, I'm going to take the same NYX yellow eyeliner and just create a wing. So I'm basically just going to connect this one to the top wing that I created in the crease. I can't really explain it, but you guys can see what I'm doing. So now to highlight, I'm taking the Bobbi Brown Bronze Glow Highlighter, which is my favorite, you guys. I had this forever and I finally hit pan on it, which made me so sad. But it's beautiful, and it's beautiful on every skin tone. It's just so freaking expensive. So next, I'm hopping back into the 35B palette, taking that same deep pink color, and I'm taking the same flat brush, and I'm just going to finish off my lower lash line, and I'm just going to blend that out. I'm not bringing that all the way in towards my inner corner, just mainly in the outer portion of my lower lash line. Oh, you guys are gonna be like, this is too much, but I'm taking the Makeup Addiction pencil brush again, and I'm taking that hot pink shade just to help blend that out. And right here, this is when I was in my little vibe. I was singing Monica So Gone, like that's still my song. So yeah, I'm just gonna I cracked myself up. So yeah, I'm just gonna continue to blend that out with the hot pink shade. So now I'm taking that same pencil brush. I just wiped it off, wiped the pink off, and I'm taking that matte yellow shade, and I'm applying this in the inner corners. And I promise you guys, this is the last color, okay? This is the last color. So we are finally done. I'm going to take my favorite new mascara, which is the Wet n Wild Lash Renegade Mascara. These Wet n Wild mascaras are bomb, you guys. Like, and they are all like $5 and under. You know, some of them are $3 and it's bomb. Come on. I love it. I love it. So I'm just applying this to my lower eyelashes. So for lips, I'm lining my lips with the Huda Beauty lip contour in the shade Spice Girl, and it's just a dark brown lip liner. So I decided to just do a pink nude. So this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the shade Trouble, which is one of my favorites. This will also be great on any skin tone. The completed look, you guys. I hope this video wasn't too long, and I hope you guys love this look. And if you did, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I love you guys so much, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.